Hi everyone. So I just want to tell you about this little known place called Moses Well. So if you're staying at Drumsine, you'll basically need to be heading back up the B839, and then when you've got the fork where you can turn left or right, go left and you'll see very shortly as you go up the road, you'll find this little lay-by before a bridge, and this is the location of the Moses Well. So we'll take a quick look at it, and yeah, you can learn a little bit of interesting information. I'm just checking out this Moses Well. It's been serving travellers with refreshing water for over 100 years. There's been a well of some sort at this location since 1870. The well we see today with the lion's head was commissioned by Hugh Cameron, locally known as Hughie the Coach. Around 1885, Hugh was a coachman serving the Lochgoilhead to St Catherine's route, and having easy access to water at the roadside for his horses made his job a lot easier. Hugh lived at the stable and coach house in St Catherine, later retired to the house nearby. The name Moses Well was chosen because of the biblical story of Moses striking the rock with his staff to obtain water. So finally, I'd just like to add that Moses Well is actually situated in a place called Glen, and it was placed here due to the very steep climb up to water the horses, and it was built at the expense of two workmen from Inverary. And the reason why it's called Moses Well, which I've briefly mentioned, is from the Bible. He opened the rock and the waters gushed out. They ran in the dry places like a river. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit of interesting information. If you did, please remember to subscribe to the channel and check out the playlist of other places we visit from this area. So thank you very much and goodbye.